version is way from creation.
So vegan. Word, sound is power, let me tell you, say a word. Sound is power, let me tell you, say a word. Make a move and don't say a word. Have you heard? Well, listen this word. Sound is power, let me tell you, say a word. Sound and power, let me tell you, say a word. You have the power, now you heard. Make a move and don't say a word. Have you heard?
I'm here today with Elizabeth, and she's the owner of Jamrock. I'm so proud of my sister, right from Jamaica. So we want to say give thanks and praise for the time we've had. Been here for about 4 hours, and I had a great time. Say something to the people one time, sister.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming. This is the launch of Jamrock at a new location, the Oak Plaza Hotel. And we hope you all come join us. Jamrock is all about good food. It's Jamaican fusion, Caribbean cuisine with African food, and it's a beautiful atmosphere. We have these large, beautiful grounds, and we look forward to having you all here.
See all the beautiful women in Ghana. Oh boy, they're shining. You know how we do it. Tailor-made, you know.
Thank you.
All right.
I'm sure no doctor can cure.
It's called his own creation. So let no man abuse creation. I leave it alone. Please don't cut it down. Behold, you still have it for food. Don't cut it down. Let's keep the seed, the plant next season. For all creator has a reason. Politics them lie. Hey, them lie to the people. Preacher man lie to the flocker. School teacher like to children. Said I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Eat the earth when we plant the ganja. Babylon come and light it up out fire and restaurant. Said I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Eat the earth when we plant the ganja. Babylon come and light it up out fire and me a shark. No one ever I was mindful of what is up to me. So now I'm better free. I'm better free. I'm to rescue me. And I'm on the stars of the show. And he made it all like you. And when my love got dark, he was the only one. He was the light at the end of the road. When I was a young boy, growing up in August, we came from the same place where I was all around. I'm trying to turn the corner, run to jungle roadside, right in the streets of river around. And when the football ground became a battlefield, and my soul was so secure. People were falling around, but God help me to get my job. Only child, and I help me to stick around. I never lived I was mindful of what they got me.
Repatriation, Royal Nation. You are the key to your liberation. So put it in your meditation.